Aquí estem a la sortida del descens, ¿vale? I bueno, aquest any la veritat que el circuit és pràcticament el mateix, amb petits canvis al track, però és molt similar al de l'any passat. El que sí que tenim és hem fet un gran treball al circuit de peatons, que és un circuit paral·lel al circuit de descens, que per a famílies o gent que vulgui veure la carrera pues, pot agafar el telecabina, pujar aquí dalt i baixar per aquest camí per mirar la carrera perfectament.
Just walking the track, every race you walk, and so you try and find the lines that are going to be the fastest on race day. Just checking out the track and seeing if it's changed from last year and seeing if the routes are more in the rocks. It's an amazing track here in Val Nord, absolutely love it, so really excited to get on the bike and just have a lot of fun, and hopefully race day is a good day.
Hey, I'm Laurie Greenland, and we're here in Val Nord for the track walk this week, and yeah, it's looking good, man. It's kind of similar so far to previous years, but I'm pretty sure everyone can agree that this is one of their favourite, kind of one of the most fun tracks on the circuit. So it's a track, I'd say my favourite part is the bottom where it just drops off and you're hanging off the back of the bike and just using the rut to keep you kind of keeping going. You're slapping off the edges of the rut the whole way down, and yeah, no pedalling, really technical, nothing too man-made down there, so it's